Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. It's been a little over a week, almost 2 weeks now that I've had this Pixel 11 Pro XL without a case on it, and it's getting me nervous. So thankfully, UAG, Urban Armor Gear, has sent over some cases for me to try out. I'm going to unbox them, and I'll give you an article about what I think about each of them. Okay, so we start off with the most expensive. This is their Pathfinder. In Canada, we're running about $84 for this one. This is a very high-end, very strong corners one. We can go to the dot model. This one is about 63, I think it was, in Canada right now. A little semi-transparent with some dots on it, and then we have a total clear, the Scout model, sort of the least protection, but still pretty good for 10-foot drop. So 10, 15, 18 foot kind of drop protection that they say on it. This one runs about just under $50, I think. So now it depends what you like. I mean, you can get the actual Pixel ones. I find, after a year, they're very slick, rubbery kind of feel to them, and I'm not a big super fan of them, so I'm happy to try something different. Let's start off with the Scout. This is our basic one. So let's see. 10-foot drop. That feels very sturdy, very strengthening the corners, right? And we've got the magnet protection, or magnets in the back, so we can still, let's get rid of that little thing there, so we can still have that work on it too. Okay, so that works. Let's just put this phone into it, and let's see how. Good bulky. It's not bulky, but it's not super small. It gives you that lip over front of the case, so you can't put it down and you're not going to worry about it. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Okay, so let's just see how this comes off easily, because as nice it is to put them on, eventually you want to take these off, and especially to clean those little edges. Okay, let's take a look at the dot. This is the one I was I'm not a big fan of super bulky. I mean, I know it's better protection to get bigger ones, but this is kind of that middle of the road, especially with that dot sort of pattern on it, semi-transparentness to it. Kind of has a nice feel. So, again, magnets, just because, the whole Pixel line now has Pixel Snap. It already looks like it has a bit of a bend to it. The corners are really, really rigid, really going to protect. These are just kind of raised pieces of plastic there, built into the rubber, so they're not, buttons aren't separate. Let's see how it goes in. Okay, so I can now definitely feel like there's a more rigid, a little more bulk on it as well. The corners do have a little bit of notch cutouts, so that allows you just a little more protection banging it around. All right, the lip is definitely more pronounced on the sides here for you as you're going to put it down. I notice that sometimes when I do the back thing. Okay, so that's the dot. And let's get into, last but not least, the Pathfinder. So this is their tank. Well, case be damned. Sometimes these packaging, not a big fan of. There we go. Get into it. Phone case is a much more, box is a little more nice too. But now that's not the Pixel 11 Pro XL. That is just the Pixel 11, so it's not going to fit. But let's just take a look here. You can see the edges are definitely more formed, you have more protection. Oh yeah. Right around there, very strong, rigid. Not as strong here because we got the battery or the buttons there, but definitely more rigid, harder to bend, it's in flex, etc. So that's the most protection you're going to get. Most expensive, but it's the most protection. Okay, we'll have a review up on the website, some pictures up close. If you have any questions, ask away.